श्रोमणी अकाली दल के अध्यक्ष सुखबीर सिंह बादल ने कृषि कानून को लेकर न सिर्फ कांग्रेस पर सियासत करने का आरोप लगाया है, बल्कि सरकार पर भी किसानों की अनदेखी का आरोप लगाया है। देखिए।
Sukhbir ji, my first question is, yesterday was a 6th round of talks, and in fact that was remain inconclusive. How do you see that? How will this agitation will be resolved?
See, from what I can see, the government of India is not ready to or interested in resolving it. They want to just delay it. They are trying to see if we can tire out the Jathebandis there and tire out the people there, so that how long can they sit? This is the plan of the government. But they don't realize these farmers will sit here, continue sitting here.
And Sukhbir ji, even yesterday government has also tried to discuss clause by clause with the farmers. And in fact, farmer refused and denied on that discussion. They said complete repealment of the laws would be accepted.
Because they have discussed clause by clause 8 times before that. And they are asking for only one thing. If their demand is something and you are trying to discuss something else, then what's the point? That's what I told you. They are not sincere. Government of India is not sincere.
In fact, Sukhbir ji, yesterday Bharat Bhushan Ashu held a press conference, and his officer revealed that they have already opened the Punjab for the farmers of other states so they can sell their crop here in Punjab. But traders are not allowed to come inside the Punjab mandis. So somewhere down the line, Punjab government is trying to implement these laws just because this is also a part of the law.
Punjab government, if you look at it, it has been part of the Congress manifesto. It was Rahul Gandhi's Parliament manifesto, where he said that if he become the Prime Minister of India, he will completely scrap government mandis. Congress is doing double speak. They are trying to show here that they are with the farmers. Actually, they have implemented the law. Even if Prime Minister Modi withdraws the laws at Government of India level, Punjab government laws will continue. The same laws in Punjab will continue because Punjab Assembly has passed it and Captain has not withdrawn those acts.
Badal sir, one more question. Somewhere down the line, this farm agitation is also giving a great impact to the political parties in Punjab. And even we are witnessing continuously attacks on the BJP party, their public meetings, protest outside their houses. And few miscreants have tried to attack in Fatehgarh Sahib on you also. Who are they actually? Are they really farmers or somebody else?
Basically, like in our case, whether this was sponsored by Congress. The police was part and parcel of the whole thing. Police got them in front of wherever I used to go. And this was handled by the Congress organization. They are feeling scared because elections are coming near. They are trying to do these small tactics.
Is that Shromani Akali Dal has initiated a move. They are all connecting with the regional parties throughout the nation. So how the things are going on and till what extent you wanted to take up this issue?
We are talking to a lot of regional parties because, there's a threat to federal setup of the country. Government of India is trying to take away all the powers. Slowly, they're divesting all the state powers and concentrating in the Government of India's hand. And which is very dangerous for this country. So we want to get all the regional parties on board. So we put pressure on the Government of India that they should not do that. Even these laws for agriculture which they made, there's a state subject. And if they wouldn't have misused the Government of India power, the agitation wouldn't have taken place.
So one last message we want to take from your side to the farmers who are agitating on the Delhi borders and in fact in the Punjab also, if you want to connect through the Republic TV and you want to say something to them.
I just want to say that I want to congratulate them for being very peaceful. Congratulate them that they have really stood the ground. Even despite Government of India's false these statements and Government of India trying to show that we are ready to talk and you are not ready to talk, I think government of the farmers have really handled the situation very well.
I left one question, that is there any chances that you can re-engage with the NDA and BJP in any case if they re-appeal these laws?
No, not at all. Because they backstabbed us. We being their allies, never asked us, never consulted us before the laws were, and we represent Punjab and represent the agriculture community. If they didn't consult us, really backstabbed us.
Thank you for speaking with us.